How will you describe it very briefly? 12 years as a bishop of this county. You're now moving to another city. How will you describe your stay here?
I can describe my stay in Nakuru as a very good and exciting 12 years. 12 years of love, 12 years of peace. I came to Nakuru during the time of political transition from one form of government to another form of government, from one constitution to another constitution. It has been very exciting. I have worked with the 4 governors, 2 in Baringo and 2 in Nakuru, and I thank God because all of them have been very peaceful people, and I pray that there's going to be peace continuing on in Baringo and Nakuru from the diocese of Nakuru.
We're living at a time when Nakuru is being classified as a hotspot violence ahead of the August 9 election. What would be your message to Kenyans?
I think not that Nakuru is the worst place in the world. I know the people of Nakuru are very peaceful people. But I think it's for the purpose of alerting us, letting us know we need not take anything for granted. Understanding very well where we have come from and where we are going, each one of us need to put in a lot of effort to make sure we secure peace. So I'm appealing for peace. People of Nakuru, all those other parts also that have been mentioned as hotspots, because elections, even though sometimes emotions go very high, they don't have to make us fight. These are elections. We love our country, we pray for our country, we want to live together as brothers and sisters in peace.
Understandably, as a bishop, it has not been a walk in the past. At one time, 12 years, did you think of quitting?
Quitting? No, whenever there were challenges, it's when even I was more encouraged to continue staying. We've had some very difficult times in the Diocese of Nakuru during my stay, both political, social, and so on. At no time even did I ever think of quitting. On the contrary, whenever there were challenges, I got the encouragement to continue struggling.
On February 18, Pope Francis appointed you as Archbishop of Kisumu. Did this one caught you flat-footed and aware?
Yes, it got me as a surprise because I thought I had been appointed apostolic administrator in Kisumu just to hold on for a short while. Then after some time, I realized I was not going to come back to Nakuru anymore. I was supposed to stay in Kisumu as the Archbishop. Yes, it surprised me a bit. Now I'm getting used to it.
There was a little bit of reception in Kisumu, hesitance. How is the position as you speak today?
The people of Nakuru are very good. Actually, there was no hesitance in Nakuru House. There was a misrepresentation of the people of Kisumu. I've had an experience of about 6 months in the Archdiocese of Kisumu, and wherever I go, the generosity of the people, the good-heartedness of the people is everywhere to be seen, and I appreciate the welcome.
Which is the unfinished business in Nakuru Diocese?
Unfinished business in Nakuru, there are parts of the diocese that haven't got the gospel message yet. And we are praying that in the coming years, those who are going to be left behind will work hard to make sure that the gospel message reaches the ends of the diocese of Kisumu, especially those disadvantaged areas which need more infrastructure, need more presence of government, need more schools, need more hospitals. I'm talking about some parts, a few parts of Nakuru and large parts of
You live in Nakuru?
Of course, I'm missing Nakuru. I miss Nakuru because this has been my life for the last 12 years. In fact, moving from Nakuru and going to Kisumu, even from the point of view of temperature itself, we're moving from 1800 meters above sea level to 1400, 1200 meters above sea level. And the climate itself is different. So yes, I miss Nakuru, but now Kisumu is my home.
Wish you all the best, Francis.
Thank you very much, Francis.
Okay.
Mungu awabariki.